Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the middle spray arm on dishwashers made by Whirlpool. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The dishwasher's middle spray arm rotates and sprays water to clean the dishes on the middle rack. If it becomes damaged, clogged, or worn out, you may need to replace it as it can affect the dishwasher's cleaning performance. If you need to purchase a new middle spray arm for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsfactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. You do not need to uninstall your dishwasher to complete this repair. To begin, open the dishwasher door. Then, pull the middle rack forward. The middle spray arm is connected to the water supply tube located on the bottom of the upper dish rack and held in place by a rotating coupler. To release it, twist the coupler gently to the left, then pull the spray arm down and out. If you need to purchase a new middle spray arm, you can check our website, partsfactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the prongs on the middle spray arm to the gaps on the water supply tube. Connect the spray arm by turning the coupler to the right until it clicks into place. Then, push the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.